What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video on the Murphy Photography YouTube channel. I'm Quentin and I'm here with my wife. We traveled all the way up from Charleston, West Virginia to Cacapon State Park, which is all the way up in the Eastern Panhandle. We're actually going to be shooting an engagement shoot here today for a couple that's going to be doing a wedding in April. So pretty exciting. This is a beautiful state park. It has a beautiful lodge, a lot of nice little places that you'll see later in the video. But we're just going to strap this GoPro on. You guys are going to see some behind the scenes, and I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like and comment on this video, and be sure to subscribe. See you later. The wind's going to die down. Okay, so whenever you guys are ready, and go.
Feels better in the sun.
Yeah, the sun's great. It's just like when the wind blows, like big gust, you're like, what in the world? Yeah. Happy, happy, happy. 250. Okay, all right. I just want that little bit of a wider shot. So when you do this one, kind of like go, I'm gonna hold my ground, and you guys are gonna like continue to hold hands until you get like right here, and then just split. Okay, I want to get this shot where it's kind of like dreaming of you guys kind of like out of focus but together. Does that make sense? Yeah, so let's try that real quick. And so I'm just going to hold my ground about right here, and then you guys just split right around. Okay, all right. And there you go. All right, so and kind of just like turn your hips, yeah, a little bit. There you go. That way you're kind of like looking. Yep, perfect. All right, we'll do a test. Okay guys, so this is going to be awesome. This is, I took 3 pictures. I'm already excited. So yeah, we're going to do a twirl here, and let me get in a spot. Ready, and go. Pull her in. That's perfect. That's awesome. We're gonna do that like 3 or 4 more times. Okay. The other thing too is when I say perfect, that means we'll gotta do it like 4 times. Yeah. But it's just kind of like, know that we got it, but I want to get more, and that's the type of person I am and stuff.
No, that's perfect.
I get trigger happy, so like I just like I. All right. So yeah, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna bump it, and you're only gonna go probably about like 10 to 12 feet in front of me. Okay, I'll even say stop, and we're gonna do this like 2 or 3 times. Okay, all right, make sure our car's not coming, and go. Bump, happy. Awesome, you're good. So definitely gotta do this when the wind's not blowing. Yeah. Because what you can do, you can like kind of like hold the dress and give it a little bit more control.
Okay, got it.
Because right now it just looks like you got shorts on and you're just vibing and stuff. Yeah, okay. Which, if that's what you want, that's what you want. But yeah, we'll do it. I think right now. Yep. Bump it, and happy, happy, happy. There we go. That looks great. That is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys got any questions, concerned about the camera or the style that we did today, make sure you drop them in the comments below. I did use a Sony a7R along with an 85mm 1.4 lens. So go ahead and drop in the comments what lens I should be using on my next shoot. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.